got a short little video just updating you guys. I got some parts in for the wagon, so I'm installing a new fuel pump today. So let's go ahead and open them up. So this one is the flange adapter for the turbo. So it goes from T3, that's this one, to a T4. So the nice thing about this is that you can rotate it any way, then tighten it down and it'll stay where it needs to be. Okay, but you guys get the idea. I'm gonna have to drill these threads out for it to mount on these studs, but it'll let me face the turbo forward and it will look way cooler than being hidden. Alrighty, here's the other one. So it's a Walbro 450. So I'll throw this thing in today, and then when the motor's back together, I won't have to worry about that later on. So the nice thing about the wagons versus like other Civics is that the fuel pump is right here. So, you know, some of the other Civics, you have to either drop the tank or cut a hole and try to find the fuel pump top. So that's kind of a struggle, especially if you cut the wrong hole, but this makes it easy. There's just 3 screws that hold this top cover plate on. And there you go. So some 10mm bolts, a harness, and the banjo bolt for the fuel, and the return line. So I'm going to go ahead and remove those, and then this whole assembly will pull out. Yeah, so make sure you're not smoking near this, because there's a little bit of fuel pressure that can come out. Alright, so here it is. It all still looks brand new. I put this one in, I think, 2 years ago. So, pop the pump out. It'll pop out. There we go. And, which is still good, so I might have a use for this one day. Yeah, so I'm just going to butt connect these wires together, red to red, black to black, obviously. Okay, let's slide this up as far as possible. I know this is the improper way to do it, just butt connecting it straight to there, but I honestly don't see the use of a harness. Next time I get a new pump, or if I ever have to, I'd honestly just cut these and butt connect the new one on again. It's just less of a hassle, less wires to deal with. I'm going to drop it in and then bolt everything back up. Alrighty, one last thing. Alright, that top plate's back on. Just put the carpet back. And the seat back down. New fuel pump's in, so one step closer. Alright, I also got this fitting for the back of the block. It's for a catch can setup, so I mean I have no use for it right now, but just to show that they make those instead of this breather box, which basically just captures oil in here. So not the most exciting video, but something I needed to do. I'm still deciding on my build, what I want to go with as far as pistons and rods. I'm caught between forged or going with Vitaras again and boring it out, but I do want to build the head, so that'll be the first thing on my list. So I already decided on the head what I want to do. Okay, well, see ya.